So the first thing you need to do is to first install my recommended search engine plugin for WordPress, which is SmartCrawl. So to do that, simply click on the plugins button, then click on add new. So once the page loads up, just type in SmartCrawl, and you're going to install the first plugin you're going to see, which is exactly this one over here, and I'm going to activate it. Okay, so once you activate the plugin, simply scroll down and click on it in the left menu of WordPress, and I'm just going to click on it. So when you're first installing this plugin for the first time, you're going to see a page like this one. Okay, so all you have to do is simply click on get started and just give it some time. It does its job. So I'm going to click on got it. So let's wait first for the SEO check. Okay, so there are a lot of things we need to fix. As you can see, it will tell you already what you're supposed to do. So the other thing we're going to do is we're going to go to title and meta. That is exactly where we're going to start from. So we're going to edit how our website appears in search engines. So I'm going to write in the title wants to appear in search results. So I'm going to enter Kisharen's blog, something like that. Then for the description, I'm just going to copy the description which is written over here, and I'm going to paste it in here. Okay, then we're going to enable open graph as well, and I'm going to copy this title over here and I'm going to paste it in here. Okay, so for Twitter as well, it's the same thing. I'm going to, by the way, I'm using shortcut Ctrl+C to copy, then Ctrl+V to paste. Then I am going to click on save settings. So we're done with this first page here. So the second thing we have to do now is go to post types. So we are going to, okay, so this one I'll just leave it the way it is, even here as well, okay. So how about pages? Let's see for pages. Okay, pages, yeah, I'll leave it the way it is. Media, okay, I'll leave the default settings. Products, okay, we'll leave the default ones. Theme, these ones I just leave them the way they are. Then I'll click on save settings. So the next thing we're going to do is go to taxonomies. So as for me, I like adding in some text in my tags, because most of the times these tags don't usually have descriptions. So what I'm going to write here is learn more on okay. So this is a tag called God. So by adding a learn more on God, then I'm going to say learn more on God with these posts below. then people are going to they're going to understand what the tag contains post about. So I'm going to paste it just here, then I'm going to paste it here as well. Okay, then categories, then I'm going to do the same thing as well here. I'm going to say then move on, not like this. For the category, I just leave it the way it is. I'll be doing it manually. Then I'm just going to click on save settings. It's about archives. So the other thing I have to do now is archives. I think I'm going to leave them the way they are. It's fine for now. And the last thing is settings. So the separator, I prefer using this same usual one here. Okay, so we're done with that one, but it's time for schema. And this is where the important part is. So now we are going to set up our schema. So this website name is Kisharens. So let's upload our logo. I'm going to use probably this one. Okay, no, not the cropped one. I think it's this one here, and it's supposed to be Kisharens. And I'm going to click on select. So this is a person, not an organization. So I'm just going to write Kisharens, job title, and just say blogger, bio. I'm going to copy this same one over here and Ctrl+V to paste. And portrait photo, I'll definitely choose the same one just, and I'll paste it here. So our brand name is the same name, which is Kisharens. The logo again, the same one. Personal contact, I'll write in probably my number. Okay, the contact page is this one over here. Twitter username, Facebook app ID, page, Instagram, okay, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube. Okay, then I'm going to click on save settings. Okay, now let's go to advanced. Let's select the about page. So the about page is this one, the contact page is this one, the menu, I'm going to select first menu, then I'm going to enable these two, and I'm going to enable that as well. And I'm going to enable the video schema and the audio schema, so that whenever I upload an audio on our website, it will be shown in Google search. Even a video will be shown on Google search as if it's from YouTube. So now to enable YouTube, you have to connect your IP or your API key. So I'll probably make another video now to get a YouTube API in the later video. So for now, I'm going to disconnect and I'm going to click on save. Okay, so when you go to Types Builder, you can add in some new schemas. So for now, I won't do anything. We'll just end here. Let's go to settings. Okay, so now that we're done with schema, it's time for social. So simply click on that social button over there and enable open graph. So for Twitter cards, enable them, and okay, as for us, it's already enabled. Then the other thing we're going to do is set up sitemap. So our sitemap is available on this URL. So I'm just going to click it to open the new tab. So currently this URL has got 16 URLs. Okay, so I probably have to remove in some links. Okay, So our sitemap should definitely contain posts, pages, products, sliders, no, team, yes, clients, yes, testimonials, jobs, categories, tags, product categories, topics, yes. Then I'm just going to click on save settings, and we're going to do go to settings. Then we have to enable this to enable our images in the sitemap so that they can be indexed as well. And I'm going to choose default, and I'm going to click on save settings. Okay, so now we're going to go to advanced tools. For the advanced tools, this is where you can add in some redirect URLs. If you'd like to redirect some pages, you can simply click on add redirect over here. For now, we don't want to do anything, so we'll continue to settings. So on settings, okay, enable advanced tools. Okay, I think I also enable this. And so now let's add in our Google verification tag. So to do that, simply go to search console, okay, search.google.com/search console. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on this button, and I'm going to click on add property, and I'm going to enter in the URL. Simply just copy it and paste it. Then typing, Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so my site has been verified. That's there and there. So I think I won't need to enter the verification code because it's already there on the root domain. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to send this sitemap to our search console so that Google can start indexing our posts right away. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and click on the website we just created and click on sitemaps, and I'm going to paste in the sitemap URL, and I'm going to click on submit. Okay, so Google will periodically scan and index our posts. So this is it about the search engine optimization full guide for WordPress. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like. If you'd like to learn more, keep on receiving this type of videos, then be sure to subscribe. Bye for now, see you in the next video.